Hello, everyone. Soon we shall be entering the month of May, and I have noticed a marked shift in the energy just from the last couple of days. I've been marveling about how miraculously well we are getting along, despite being in our quarantine. Happy with each other? If you're getting antsy and finding it hard to access patients, well, it may be helpful to know that last Saturday, that is the 18th of April, Aries had a guest Mercury where it is going to be until the April 27th, bringing a marked shift from watery emotional Pisces into becoming more focused and sometimes aggressive. Now, this aggressiveness can be constructive as well as destructive. The choice is yours. So be a little patient, deliberate yourself into patience. Knowing this can help you find compassion for yourself and others, as well as healthy outlets for the abundance of the fiery energy as we work through this extraordinary time. I do hope that my past live sessions that I was trying and endeavoring providing for you with some relief and perspective during these really challenging times. Now, during these times of upheaval, the guidance of astrology has been a lifeline for me, and that is what I have tried to extend it to my audience because for me, the more I share, the more I feel. And since we are all undergoing the same universal phenomena, we just need to be patient and realize that yes, these energies are probably working with everyone. So we need to mellow down a little bit and probably be more creative within ourselves. This is a good thing about Pluto turning retrograde on April 25th. It is that whatever crisis you have been struggling with these past 6 months will retreat back in the dark corner from where it had come. Retrogrades mark a change in planetary disposition, a time when what was on is called off. We often think of retrogrades as upsets in our routine because things don't go according to the plan, like with the Mercury retrograde, for instance. However, retrogrades can also switch from being reactive to proactive. Make the necessary adjustments, the bold moves, the decisive choices you need to make to ensure that you are leading with your best foot forward is to be well armed. So Pluto comes out of the retrograde on October 4th. So we have all these months where we can actually relive in ourselves or reorganize ourselves or re-strategize ourselves, take advantage of the Pluto's retrograde. Well, the month of May for Scorpions, well, Saturn in Aquarius had turned you into a real stick in the mud. You used to be more willing to hear people out before, rendering judgment, and now it looks like you'll just skip to the judgment. This isn't advisable, as planetary energies show people taking their business elsewhere and benefiting as a result. Indeed, you could inadvertently make yourself irrelevant if you continue down this path. Now, Aquarius and reinvention. It would be a good idea to embrace these impulses for yourself rather than to reject them. So it says be experimental, reinvent yourself. You may discover that you are a lot more open minded than you actually think. So, the month of May actually suggests that the planetary influences will turn beneficial after the 20th of May. There will be a sense of relief, and you'll be able to progress well as per your plans. The planetary strength is located in the southern sector of the chart, hence career issues take a back. The home environment's very enjoyable for you. The month will be spent on home furnishings and renovations. The majority of the planets are in the western half of the horoscope. Independence and self-will give you way to cooperation and conciliation. Development is achieved for the others over your personal ambitions. So, singles will attract love mates with their charisma, earnings are dedicated by moral values, business travel will yield the desired results. In regards to the love and relationships, well, it is very harmonious and passionate month. There is a possibility that it will be disturbed. The love life is also affected by your social engagements and family intrigues. The singles have great. You may find love at the workplace among seniors. Love at first sight is on the cards. In regards to your family, well, the predictions are not very beneficial for your spouse and other family members. On your part will help to achieve a peaceful atmosphere. Till that time, you will be afflicted with ailments. Benefits are elusive. Travel for professional and business improvements will hardly be successful, but you wait for the sunny days are ahead, so be patient and happy days will be back. In regards to your finance, it predicts that money flow will be excellent till the 20th May. You will have surplus money to clear your pending loans. After that, money will come with great effort. So you need to actually budget your resources. You will have plenty of financial openings, but you will not be interested as the methods to be employed to achieve success could be against your principles. In regards to the education, it does not offer any comfort for students and those engaged in advanced education. Even with hard work, chances of successes are remote. Engineering students have to study hard to clear the examinations. Those appearing for competitive exams will need more instruction support to get through. In regards to your travel, well, yours is a highly profitable sign for travel. Fine arts, personal, and people in entertainment fields will get ample rewards from travel. Travel for relaxation purposes will be delightful, both inland and overseas. The travels are likely. So, good luck till we meet for the next month. Well, before we come to an end of the month of May, I really want you all to know that you'll be happy to note that I have officially launched my School of Astrology program, wherein I would be teaching my way, that is Dolly Mangat's way of astrological learnings. I would be sharing my experiences, my learnings, and my explanation of the planets with you all. You could visit my website to apply for the course. The evaluation of the applications is in process as the teachings or the classes are starting from the 8th May 2020. And of course, for best dates, career, honey, and money, as usual, they're on my website. Last but not the least, for any further information and intimations, you are requested to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Trust me, it will always be beneficial for your well being, as self awareness leads to the great transformation of life. Life is what you make of it.